Okay guys, yesterday I assigned the directed drawing assignment, and then I wanted you to write a few sentences about what you drew. So I got a lot of amazing drawings yesterday, but some of you may have forgotten to write your sentences. So I'm going to just do a quick review on how to write a sentence. Now if you went to school here last year, you should remember learning how to write sentences in kindergarten, okay? So after you draw your picture of whatever you chose to draw, and remember I want you to do this with the directed drawing, okay? So whatever you chose to draw your picture, some of you drew a unicorn, some of you drew a dinosaur. If you want to draw something different, you can do that. I'm not going to draw a picture up here because I'm just going to show you how I want you to write your sentence, okay? So after you draw your picture, remember last year in kindergarten we taught you how to think about what you want to write first. So we have to form the sentence first, okay? So I want you to use your imaginations, and let's just pretend that I drew a picture of the unicorn, okay? So I'm going to think about one sentence I can write about my unicorn, okay? So maybe I want to write, it can be so simple, it can just be, this is my unicorn, okay? So then remember I have to think, how many words are in my sentence? This is my unicorn, 4 words. So now I'm going to make my lines first, okay? So I'm going to say, this is my unicorn. And then remember what I want you to do. I want you to read your lines. This is my unicorn. I have enough lines, so I'm going to put my dot to stop the thought. Now, this is where it might get a little tricky, okay? Because you guys don't have a sound map in front of you. So I need you to really try to remember some of those sounds and those sight words that you learned last year. It's okay if you don't remember them because I'm going to reteach them to you and we'll review, but I just want to see what all you remember from last year, okay? So the first word of my sentence, this. What do I hear first? And I remember TH makes that sound. This is, ooh, that is a sight word. So I remember that sight word and it was spelled I-S. Is, this is my. And remember, at the end of a word, what letter makes that I sound at the end of the word? Think really hard, try to remember. If you said the letter Y, you're correct. So the letter Y. Okay, so I have my first 3 words. This is my unicorn. This is a tricky word. I'm going to have to sound it out. So what do I hear first? U. What do I hear after that? Yun. Yun. I. K. Or unicorn. Okay, so that would be one sentence. This is my unicorn. And then you would think of another sentence, okay? So I want you to try to write 2 sentences. So I'm going to reassign the directed drawing activity, and here's what you can do. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and go to the directed drawing slide. You're going to click on any picture and it'll take you to a link of how to draw the picture, okay? After you draw your picture, and don't be afraid to add details. I need to see colors and colors and colors. I want these pictures to be so amazing and beautiful. After you draw your picture and add your details, I want you to try to write 2 sentences about your picture just right underneath it, okay? And then like you did yesterday, you're gonna snap a picture of it and post it to me, and I can't wait to see them all. Okay, have fun.